We're talking about operations with functions and composition. And here we have a function operation with subtraction. Let f of x equal negative 3x to 1/3 and g of x equal 5x to 1/3 plus 4x to 1/2. Find the domain and the function composition for the following function operation. So the first thing is we have the function g, so we're going to substitute the function g in. In this case, we have 5x to 1/3 plus 4 to the 1/2. And then we are going to subtract. And we're going to subtract a negative 1/3, or excuse me, negative 3x to the 1/3. So negative, negative, that means that we're going to go to positive there. And we have x to 1/3 and x to 1/3. So we're going to be able to combine those like terms. And we get 8x to the 1/3 plus 4x to the 1/2. Now we have a cube root and we have a square root. And so if we're looking at this, the cube root doesn't limit our domain. However, the square root does limit our domain. So we'll write this out over here. So that doesn't limit our domain. X can be anything that we want it to be. And then we have another domain where we have okay, this one does limit our domain because we have an even integer here. So this tells us that x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So that's the thing that is going to limit our domain. So for this, our domain can be the set of all x values that belong to the real numbers such that x is greater than or equal to 0. Or 0 is included all the way to infinity, which is not included.